What's going on out there, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a really nice treat for you guys. We got a satisfying deep clean. We're gonna be deep cleaning this Jeep Rubicon here. Now we're doing this for the original owner. We're gonna be doing the seats, taking the seats out, shampooing the carpet, steam cleaning everything, just totally revitalizing the interior of this car. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hopefully you enjoy this ride. Take care, man. KLD out. Hope to see you again. Rusty. You had to eat your Wheaties last night, so you'll be ready. Eat them Wheaties. So we got a lot more work to go. Got the top taken off, got the carpets out, seats out. Now we're about to detail this thing, man. We're gonna remove this thing. Not gonna steal it, we're gonna actually put it back. So around, we're gonna get it out the way. So we can clean everything properly. Any belongings, personal things, money, anything over 100,000 I keep. Anything less than that, I pretty much give it back to the customer. So bring $100,000, leave it in the vehicle, probably gonna be mine. But you bring anything less, so you bring 99,000, anything less, may let you get it back. The interior pretty much wiped down. Steam cleaned it. It'll be ready to put the carpet back in. Next we're gonna start steam cleaning, shampoo and steam clean the seats, all the upholstery, wiping down the interior some more. As you can see, spider webs all back there. And yeah, that's where we at right now.
you.